Probably like a low country boil or something.
That's it.
I could do corn. I could do pasta.
You have something to do pasta.
But I could use that too.
It's too big for that shit.
No, it's not too big. Hey, you guys. I'm gonna be doing a haul because my mama went shopping for me. If y'all know my mama, you already know what it is. It's this thing's so heavy. Hold this, Ma. She's gonna be my not my cameraman, because she's not holding the camera, but she's gonna be in the background. Ooh, what is this? Okay, it's a 7-quart electric skillet. Look how shiny it is. So the plug goes here, which the plug, I'm not gonna take it out the box, but it's inside the box right there. You see that? The plug on that side, you guys see that? I don't want to take the plug out, Mom, because I'm not using it right this second. Okay, let me put co-director in the background. She gonna co-pilot this thing. So here's the plug, y'all, and you kind of keep the temperature through here. So it goes up to, well, I guess it goes up to 500, and then it has a sear. Okay, I like this. So it's like kind of like a slow cooker too, right? Good. Thanks, Mom. This is scared. Ain't nobody like your mama. Mama. Just to kind of show you, I have some cleaning products to share with you guys too. This is the Dr. Brenner's, just so you can see how big it is. So you could put a good 2 big nice piece of fish in here. You can braise some meat in here and then slow cook it. Like I said, the temperature is 200 all the way up to 500, and it's heavy, like really heavy.
I have one, and I think you should have one.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. I appreciate it. Y'all, look at this. Oh my goodness.
You can cook me in it.
So this is what I love about it, because let's watch. If in the beginning she's like, what are you gonna make in it? The holes are small enough, so I really feel like I can put like some noodles. I can do like a low country boil, like a personal size. Bouillon. Not in this one.
Yeah, you can use this for
yeah, the bottom. Yeah, this part I can use for the bouillon, but this one here,
yeah,
I guess I can put the vegetables in.
Oh,
if you don't own all CLAD, you probably like this doggone girl. But if you own it, you like, girl, this is the business. Because it's really, really heavy. And what I like about it is it holds the temperature top to bottom. So that way everything cooks throughout and it looks and smells and tastes really, really good. This is what they normally use at really nice like high-end restaurants when they're cooking and everything, for like pan searing and all that stuff. But yeah, I'm excited. This is really, really good. Okay, this one's here is mine. This is my mom's. She has one too. So pretty much when she buys her stuff, she just buys me the same ones too. So that's it. Now I'm going to share with you guys the cleaning products. The cleaning products that I'm sharing with you now are from Grove Collaborative. You can easily go on there. I know you have been asking for cleaning videos. They're coming, but I had to get my cleaning products fully stocked up. The only thing that I'm missing is my Odo band, and then I'll start doing some cleaning, organizing and stuff, because I want to get my mom good and situated before I leave. So I have the Method Foam bathroom cleaner, which is really, really good. I actually like this. I like this for the in-between cleaning, not my heavy cleaning. If you're against not using non-natural products, then this isn't for you. But for me, like using using like Clorox and Odoban, those things just work really well for me. So I do that for like my heavy weekly cleaning. But during the week, these are just amazing. Of course, I have the Pure Castile peppermint soap, which I love using. I used to use it on my scalp. At this point, I don't anymore, because I realized it was making my hair really, really dry and brittle, so I don't use it on my hair anymore. What I use is the same version of this, but in the lavender. That is so much better. I don't know who I was watching on YouTube. I was watching someone do a haul, and they were like, they love the Mrs. Meyer's basil thing, right? I was like, why would you want to take a bath in cleaning products, right? And I was like, you know what, don't judge Nadia, because I'm sure somebody watching you judging too. So I was just like, you know what, let me be open about it. And she was just like, it's so good, da, 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 da. And I was like, okay. So I ordered it, right? And I said, well, if anything, the boys can use it, not a big deal. I only ordered one, but I actually really surprisingly like the basil body wash. I don't like the basil cleaning spray, which is so ironic. I'm telling you, it's really light and airy and just really fresh. I'm not really sure what I'm liking in the cleaning version. For cleaning, I like the honeysuckle or lemon verbena is the one that I use. I grabbed 4. Okay, this is how much I enjoy it. And then I also wanted to get some room sprays and room fresheners and stuff like that. So this one here is the Pear Blossom Agave. This is the linen and room spray, which I love. And then the other one is the honeysuckle room freshener. These two absolutely love, non-aerosol. And then the Method, the wood cleaner, I have this one here. And then I have the Method floor cleaner. You guys already know, these are some of the same products that I was using before. Nothing has really changed. Caldrea, the Pear Blossom Agave. I have 2 of those. And you guys, it smells really good. I know you probably can't see it because it's super storming outside and it's really dark. So what I'm gonna do is I'll do like a closer shot, so when I go over all of these you can actually see them. This is absolutely amazing. My mom, she has a little puppy. His name is Louie. And I also went onto the website and I bought Kinkind. It is the natural and organic coconut, olive oils, essential oils, moisture. So this is the shampoo, and this one here is the conditioner, you know, just so that way Louis can smell really good. And then I got a lemongrass scented pet stain and odor. Now he's trained, so we don't have like accidents and stuff, but I think it's still good to kind of keep things smelling fresh, you know. And then this one here is the Paw Sense. And this is an oatmeal mango. It's waterless pet shampoo. So we invite you to pamper your pets with Paw Sense Apothecary. Paw Sense Apothecary is a natural botanical with pure ingredients based spa collection to nourish your pets. Okay, let me see. Leave luxury, high effective. So it's plant-based. Okay, I don't have a dog or anything like that. I don't think I want a puppy either, because you know Louis a lot to deal with. It's a little extra, but I think this is good. I actually sprayed it on Louis. He didn't really like being sprayed for some particular reason, but once he got sprayed down, he actually smelled good. So if you have a dog, those in between, I would definitely use it. Because I loved the basil so much. This is my first time doing this, but I decided to get this one here, which is the plum berry scent. I've never tried the, you know, I don't know why. Oh my goodness. Oh gosh, this smells really good. I'm looking forward to use this one tonight. The next thing that I ended up grabbing is the Method all-purpose natural derived cleaning wipes. It cuts grease and grime, and this is in the pink grapefruit. I can tell you now, it smells just like grapefruit, like just like grapefruit. So I really wanted to just, again, the in-between cleaning. I'm gonna put one in the hallway bathroom, and I'm gonna put one in my mom's bathroom. And then from 7th Generation, I picked up the multi-purpose wipes. I did grab 2 of those, and okay, this is for the kitchen. It is super minty. You know what? This is for the bathroom. This is for the bathroom. You know what it smells like? It smells like this right here. That's for the bathroom. I didn't think I was gonna like this spray because I was like, mint, what? But I'm gonna tell you something. Matter of fact, it's eucalyptus. Oh, this is garden mint, and this is eucalyptus mint. It smells just like this right here. So these 2 are gonna go in the bathroom, because at first when it was like mint, eucalyptus, I'm like, what in the world? But I tell you no lie, it really cuts the urine down if you know, have little kids, you know. And then I also picked up Method Steel for Real cleans and polishes. This is the apple orchard scent. And y'all, I just love stuff that smells really good, honey. Oh, you guys, I almost forgot. I forgot these light fixtures came in. This is for my entryway. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. It is called the Juliet. It's so beautiful. It's so perfect. Hold on a second. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It's so beautiful. So this is gonna go in the entryway. I have to fix it. The other part of it is over here. So it stays like this. Can you guys see it? You like it? The candles are gonna go on there. I'm gonna put a screen of how it looks so that you guys can see it, an overlay. Because right now, I'm sure I'm not doing it any justice just showing it to you out the box. But it's so freaking pretty. And I am going to love that. Oh my gosh. Yeah, but I actually saw this a while back. And I had wanted it for the entryway at the previous house, but it got to a point where I just stopped buying stuff for the house. So I decided, why not get it? So I wanted, if you notice, like I try to do girly without having to go like pink and like all the, you know, super girly things, you know, but the light fixture is called the Juliet. And again, I'm gonna do like an overlay on the screen so you guys can see how it actually looks together. But I'm really excited for it to go in the entryway. And I found a console also, but I just don't want to buy big pieces of furniture again. But thank you, Mom, for holding the camera. I hope you guys enjoyed my lovely stuff. Like, again, I have the cleaning videos coming. That's why I had to get all my cleaning stuff. And now that I have all my cleaning stuff, and then I have to go to Home Depot to get the blue quickies so that way I can clean. But the reason why I haven't really, well, I did clean. I cleaned upstairs, but the reason why I haven't really come down here and got to working is because my mom is still trying to get some work done down here. So it makes no point to clean when all this stuff's gonna have to come out and the floors are gonna have to kind of be repolished again. And I'm trying to work on doing something with the island. We just got stuff going on, y'all. Bear with me, be patient, but that is pretty much it. Hope you guys have a really great day, and I'll see y'all next time.